In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through using a dropshipping supplier called AutoDS. Since its inception in 2016, AutoDS has grown to support over 300,000 dropshippers, offering a vast range of products, fast processing and shipping times, and automated order fulfillment. It's compatible with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. I've personally found success using AutoDS for my dropshipping stores. This session focuses on integrating AutoDS with Shopify. You'll learn how to utilize AutoDS's product research tools to find items and import them into your Shopify store, as well as how to fulfill orders using the platform's various features. You can sign up today with only $1. After signing up, the first step is to connect your Shopify store to AutoDS by adding your store and installing the AutoDS Shopify app. Next, you'll install the AutoDS Chrome extension, which enables you to import products from third-party suppliers like CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress. Once this setup is complete, you can start researching and importing products. Begin by selecting your target shipping country and currency, and then choose the country your products will ship from. You can filter products by price, supplier, and category. Additionally, you can sort products by various criteria like shipping time. If you want to search by keyword, simply reset the filters and enter your desired term to find related products. Once you find a product you'd like to sell, you can view its details, including variations in size, color, and shipping options. After reviewing this information, you can import the product as a draft to your Shopify store. You'll have the opportunity to edit the product title and description, and AutoDS even offers an AI-powered tool to optimize your product titles to be more appealing. Finally, you can push the edited product to your Shopify store and start selling. Start by generating a great title for a product, such as a cocktail dress. Elegant cocktail dress with a sleek silhouette and luxurious details, perfect for making a statement at any special occasion. You can save the title and move on to selecting a collection from your Shopify store, choosing cocktail dresses. Auto-generated tags are available, and they remove unnecessary ones, keeping tags like women's clothing and dresses. Next, they select a shipping method, opting for the cheapest option with tracking to ensure the best customer experience. The product's origin is set as China, and they choose to enable stock monitoring, price monitoring, and auto-order features. These features ensure that the product's availability and pricing are automatically managed, and orders are fulfilled as soon as they are placed. Moving on to the product description, they use AI to optimize it, choosing a more sellable and creative tone. The AI-generated description highlights the dress's elegant fashion appeal and high fashion style. Satisfied with the description, you can save it and proceed to edit the product variants. You can adjust the variant options, such as color and size, and set a sale price with a profit margin. They also have the option to delete unwanted variants. The user then explores the automation feature in AutoDS, which allows automatic price adjustments based on sales performance. They set up an automation rule to increase the product price when sales are high and decrease it when sales are low, using trial and error to find the optimal settings. Finally, they prepare the product images by editing, rotating, or adding a watermark, and choose the main image for the product listing. They also review and edit the item specifications, deleting any that are unnecessary before finalizing the product for their Shopify store. After finalizing edits on a product in AutoDS, including deleting irrelevant specifications, the user can import the product into their Shopify store. Once the product is imported, it appears in the Shopify product list, where the user can view its title and description. The product is now live and visible on the store. The AutoDS Marketplace is where you can find winning products and tools like the TikTok Spy to discover successful products. If desired, you can purchase add-ons for more extensive product research. To fulfill orders, the user can use AutoDS's automated order fulfillment system, which tracks orders, shows estimated arrival times, and provides tracking numbers. If needed, the user can manually adjust order statuses or request quotes for better pricing and shipping. The tutorial also covers setting up an AutoDS wallet through Payoneer, which ensures orders are fulfilled without delays by maintaining a balance. Additionally, the AutoDS Academy offers free courses and mentorship for users wanting to deepen their dropshipping knowledge. Lastly, the user can adjust various settings in AutoDS, such as supplier settings and automated listing preferences, to further customize their experience. You can customize default settings in AutoDS, including sourcing settings and automations. To modify automations, simply click on the three dots next to them. Additionally, AutoDS offers various plans and add-ons, such as options for dropshipping on eBay, Amazon, and other platforms. In the account settings, you can upgrade your subscription, add virtual assistants, and connect buyer accounts like AliExpress or Amazon to automate order fulfillment. You can also manage notifications for order status updates and adjust store settings, including adding or deleting Shopify stores. AutoDS can be a highly profitable business if done right. To get started and boost your earnings, follow these 8 crucial steps. Identify hot-selling products. Choose items that are in high demand. Choose reliable suppliers. Partner with the best dropshipping suppliers. Build a profitable store. Set up your dropshipping store with a focus on generating income. Handle financial requirements. Ensure all financial aspects are properly managed. Add popular products to your store. Import trending items to attract customers. Implement effective marketing. Use smart marketing tactics to increase your revenue. Process orders efficiently. Quickly fulfill orders to build customer trust. Deliver outstanding customer service. Provide excellent support to keep customers coming back. To find a good niche for your dropshipping business, study competitors selling similar products. This helps you learn and stand out. Search like a customer. Look up your product online to see top results. Analyze competitors. Examine how they present products and customer feedback. Differentiate your business. Identify what they do well, areas for improvement, and how you can be unique. Check social media. Observe their content and customer interactions. This research helps you learn from others, avoid mistakes, and make your business distinct. Success is not just about selling popular products, but doing so in a way that sets you apart. That sums it up. I encourage viewers to ask questions, request additional tutorials, and subscribe for more dropshipping content.